name's Kevin Jones, and here we are at Weymouth Harbour, Brewer's Quay, with one of our vessels, Enchantress. We have two boats, let's say this one Enchantress, and we have another one, My Girl. Both boats are, well, this one's 83 years old and the other one's 93 years old, so historic, national historic ships, which we run from here at Brewer's Quay to either out into the bay or across to Portland Harbour, doing passenger trips. So historically they both served during World War II. Were involved in the sort of D-Day preparations here at Weymouth. My Girl has got sort of obviously the longer history and is more the well-known boat, yeah, they carry sort of 55 passengers, that sort of number, daily service for holidaymakers really. What else can I tell you about them? They're obviously a timber construction. We've got diesel engines in these, although we are looking to a future of maybe electrifying them, something we might consider for the future. And that obviously these at the moment are in sort of winter maintenance and preparation period. So I could just see people up on the harbour wall there looking down to see if we're operating trips. I might call them down in a minute. So anyway, so we'll be starting our service on the 1st of April this year, and we'll be offering a fare of £20 for an adult, and that gives you an hour's trip either around the bay here at Weymouth or across to Portland Harbour. And then we will have a family fare as well, which will be £50. Anybody that's interested, we've got a very good website, and that's probably the best place to find us. It's quite an informative website. It tells you a little bit about the history, tells you the services that we offer, and you can see that at www.coastlinecruisers.com. And we're obviously on Facebook and things like that, but your best bet is obviously our website for the most information. So we look forward to seeing you in hopefully a sunny Weymouth this year, starting the 1st of April. And yeah, have a good holiday. Thank you very much for your time.